Principle number 3 in the 10 principles to help you feel stronger, leaner and lighter as you age well, and that is to exercise purposefully. Let me explain 5 ways you can do that, especially if you're over 50. Number 1, focus on strength. Stop listening to that old-fashioned story about cardio as releasing weight. You'll need to focus on building muscle by using your own body weight. Weights or bands can help you rebuild that muscle mass and subsequently increase your metabolism. Number 2, posture. As we age, we tend to lose posture, and nothing ages us more. When you're doing the exercises, think about lifting up through your core and your shoulders back. Not only will you continue to work the core muscles, but you'll also look taller and leaner. Number 3, form. How you do the exercise is way more important than how many you do. Number 4, flexibility. Not only does it help you feel good, but helps protect you against back pain and injury. And finally, number 5, consistency. Exercise works best if you do it as often as you can, at least 5 times a week, in order for it to become a habit that can help you feel stronger, leaner and lighter. Make sure you save this video and look for my next video coming out tomorrow.